In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix keyboard number keypad is not working in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So kindly wait until everything would be set here before we proceed to the steps. Once ready, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option and you need to navigate with accessibility which has this icon. Click on this one. The moment you've clicked on it, you can see three components under accessibility and these are vision and it goes something with the setting related to vision and it has this hearing which goes with audio and captions which contains the live captions as well as interaction. And since we're dealing with the number keypad is not working, then we need to navigate with mouse. So this window is very important. Why? Because in order to make your number key or number keypad work, you need to ensure that this mouse keys is in disabled or turned off. So navigate here at the switch and turn it off. Once done, close the window and your problem will be fixed. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.